Um, this is my Harry's navy blue unboxing video. This is the front of the box. A side says Harry's, and the back of the box, and the side says Harry's. And I wanted to get the orange Harry's, but they only had the blue Harry's at Target. But I wanted the orange one, but they only had the blue one. There's this circle sticker at the bottom. It's pretty hard to get off with your fingers. That's the sticker, the Harry's navy blue sticker at the bottom. There's a little, I should have filmed that part. If you open it and then there's a mammoth, looks like made in Illustrator. Oh. Wow. Oh, there's $5 off. I don't know if all the Harry's navy blue get this, but this one got this one. At Target only. So in here there's the razor. It's a little bit heavier than I expected. Has a good and there's two heads. And I guess this is where you. And there's another mammoth inside. Anyway, that's my Harry's navy blue.